Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone 16 is updated and you have adequate storage. Once done, open Settings, scroll to Camera, and tap Formats to pick Apple Proraw if available. Make sure Proraw toggle in Camera Settings is enabled so the camera app shows the option. You do this now because Proraw requires system support and sufficient space. Enabling it here makes the camera app present the file type controls when you shoot. Now go into the camera app and position yourself in photo mode. You'll see a RAW or Proraw icon near the top or in the control strip. Tap that icon to enable Proraw for the next shot. You'll notice the indicator change, which confirms it's active. Make sure to adjust resolution and smart HDR settings because Proraw files are larger and record more data. Controlling those preferences reduces unexpected storage use while preserving the quality you want. Finish by taking your Proraw photos and confirming they're saved as DNG files in Photos. Once captured, you can edit in the built-in editor or a compatible app to take advantage of the extra data. When you're ready to share, export as JPEG or HEIC to reduce file size. If the RAW/Proraw icon is missing, restart the phone, verify iOS is current, and, if needed, reset camera settings. That often restores the option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.